Hey everyone, it's Omar from O-Rated here. I'm just here to do a quick video on how to use Spotify on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 without having your phone on you. Because we know sometimes it can be a nuisance, so at least this way you can just have your watch on you, have a pair of Bluetooth headphones, and just rock it out at the gym. So what you're going to first want to do is just have Spotify on the watch connected to your phone. And then once all that is set up, what you want to do is scroll to Spotify, open it up, just give it a sec, and you're gonna have this screen. What you want to do is scroll to the bottom and you want to go to settings. And here it's gonna say playback and remote. So what you're gonna want to do to put in the standalone mode, just click the playback, click standalone, give it a sec to load. There you go, now it's switched, it shows this screen. Basically just saying you are now streaming on your watch, and that's just connected to my phone again, and there you go. So now it's in the mode where now you have the option to download music. So if you go to recent playlist, we'll go to my music. Whoops, my bad, give me one sec. Go back, there you go. Go to my music, go to my playlists. Here's pick one right here. And before, it wouldn't give you the option to download anything, but now, as you guys can see right here, it gives you the option to download. So all you literally have to do, click this, and now it's going to download directly on the watch. And then all you need is a pair of Bluetooth headphones, and you connect that, and then you can listen to music offline. So now you can leave your phone at home. I am Omar from O-Rated. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I hope this tip really helped. Catch y'all later. Peace.